Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I've got a quick video for you on medicine cabinet organization. We found this really useful and I hope you guys do as well. All right, here's our medicine cabinet, and you can see it's one of these that goes kind of wall to wall. I'm going to open it up and show you what we did. There's just a couple quick tips, nothing too fancy, but the first one is this little stair step organizer. You can see we use our liquids on there, and it just really helps see that stuff in the back row a lot easier. But the next thing is this is the real game changer, I thought, were these clear little totes that you can see. You can pull them out, and those things are just super handy. They're much better than, I'm going to show you real quick what we used to use. We used to use these right here. These were just closed totes, and they're handy, but you had to open them up all the time. And these other things were just much more handy. Go back over here real quick. But we've got one for each of us. You can pull it out. We can fill up our weekly pill planner. We also have some other ones. This one is organized for like cough and cold, and this one's for eyes and ears, and just different things. You can see we got cough drops in these. But this is just a quick and easy way to organize your medicine cabinet. I'll put links to those couple items on Amazon and the show notes. Hey guys, thank you for joining me for the video today. If you like it, please hit the like and subscribe button. Also, leave some comments on some useful organization tips that you guys have found.